Little Black Boots is a song just about self-explanatory about if you make your gal mad and you see her taking off and she's getting all dolled up and she's looking better than you've seen her look in a long time, then she's probably gonna go get in some trouble, and she may not be coming home.
If you see my baby in the little black boots, well, she knocked me off my throne. Tonight I'll be here alone. There ain't nothing I can do to make it right. Now she won't be home tonight. Well, I should have seen it coming, the way she run me around. When she started putting on that skirt, I knew I was in for a world of hurt. There ain't nothing I can do to make it right. Now she won't be home tonight. Little red dress, Lord, if you see my baby in that little red dress, well, it looks like she's gone away. Guess I'll be lonely every day. There ain't nothing I can do to make this right. No, she won't be home tonight.